Okay, so hello everyone. Today just today's Sundays, 20th of January. I just feel like nothing to do, so just want to do some streaming and telling you guys about one of the techniques that I'm using for IQoption trading. Just want to share this experience with you guys with my new techniques. Starting here on my account is $24, and we'll find out if I am going to make another $20 or $50, put it back to my account. Let me have a look on this. Okay, you guys, this is a new technique. I've been trying for a couple of days. Yeah, work sometimes it's not, but it's really important to understand the market trends, the news, the update, and because today is Sunday, so it is we call that OTC markets opening. And about one on the up. Okay, so after this bet, and then we'll give you some analytic technique why I buy the up and why I lose or why I won. So that's my short introduction. Now let me check my streaming. This is a martingale strategy. So starting small with $20 and going up to save some money. For the weekends. So hope that we can save some money together for these weekends. Dashboard. I'm checking my streaming channels here. Go live. Okay. So I make right predictions in the second attempt. Actually, I failed in the first attempt. So this is a technique that I'm using just a couple of days. I've seen some result on success so far. And okay, why I play like this? The first thing is this is the downtrend. You can see that the market is downing in the last 2 hours ago, and it's still continuing in the downtrend. But during that downtrend period, there is a little bump. It's just like you are driving the car on the road, and there is a speed bump in the middle of the road, but you're still going to that destinies. And for the technique that I'm using, if to guess where the speed bump is in the middle of the road. Okay, so how to know that it's a speed bump? When it's down the road, there's a speed bump, so maybe a little kind of up before it's continuing the downtrend. So that's one of the techniques that I'm using now. What the indicator is telling me, I just usually, like you see here, I use the indicator, and I only use 3 indicators to tell me all this thing. The first indicators that I'm using, I don't know why there's 4 here. I don't need that one. the first indicator that I'm using is Bollinger Band. Okay, Bollinger Band is really effective to telling you where the trend it may change. It may change, it may happen, it may reverse. So one is the factor telling you, but you cannot really depend on Bollinger Band alone, because this is the downtrend. Like you see here, when it's crossed the bottom line of that downtrend, what you guess, what you in mind is that it's going to reverse soon, or it is going to be further down. That is Bollinger Band. And then I go into Fractal. So Fractal going to tell you the limitation of possibility of reverse trends. Okay, just telling you that it's possibility to change the trends may happen in a certain period of times. And then another ones that you see a lot of dots on the bottom, on the top that you are seeing here is Parabolic SAR. So Parabolic SAR is telling me the trend change. So I'm using the indicators telling me Parabolic SAR telling me that there's a possibility of the trend change, and then okay, there's a possibility of that trend change, and then I look at Fractal. The Fractal confirms that another possibility of change in trends, and look at the Bollinger Band. It was off the line, off the bottom line. Okay, the bottom line that I'm drawing here is the bold black line. So when you see the bold black line, and then this was kind of off the line at the bottom, and then it's a little off the line. So it's confirmed again that it's telling me that it's possibility of reversal trends. Okay, there's three indicators that telling me the possibility of the reversal trends. And then I'll look again at stochastics. Okay, stochastics. What is that stochastic? OS something. Okay, it's a three indicator together, and this is called that stochastics oscillators. Okay, okay. Again, it's stay at the bottom line. It stay at the bottom line, and then it's telling me that it is oversell for a period of times already, and also telling me it is a possibility of reverse trend. So actually, for my buying this or investing into these things, I look into only two main indicators that telling me is Bollinger Band, Fractal. Okay, three. Okay, I look at three things: Bollinger Band, Fractal, and Parabolic SAR. So these three things, possibility of changing. Like you see here, the Parabolic SAR is telling me that the trend is not going to make it to the reversal. You see that the parabolic is changing trend now for 2. So which means that the strong current of the downtrend is still keeping strong. So it's possibility of the downtrend again. So today is Sunday and it is OTC market is open. I'm not sure if this going to be another winning, but I try for just second times just to show that to you. But what I'm waiting here is to waiting for the signal of the fractal. They're telling me that it's confirmed it's down. It's confirmed it's down, and the parabolic SAR is a downtrend, and then fractal is a downtrend. Bollinger Bands was telling me that it is going to be a reverse trend and it's going to be a downtrend again. So let's see for this trade, but I'm waiting for the fractal to tell me that it is possibilities of the downtrend going to happen again. So we try to going up, but it seems like the price of going up is getting stuck somewhere. It's not make it to up in this one. So just enough for the saying. This is all sayings, but the actual investment is by make it happen and doing by So it's telling me the reversal trend is happening here, but this is going to bump so big. But this is possibly telling me the downtrend. Still not telling you all the techniques. So I don't know. It's telling me the downtrend, but it's really strongly, you know, uptrends happening right now. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. So since I'm telling you the techniques, so I need to follow my techniques here. Even though this is right, even though this is wrong. So you can see that it's worked sometimes, but it's not working all the time. So you need to, you know, put your money into this kind of investments and see how it works for you, and especially you put it onto a demo account, try to see if that works. It's worked for another times. And I'm waiting for the downtrend to confirm. That's telling me that it is possible to go downtrend again. But I'm not going to buy here, but I'm waiting for a fractal telling me that, man, it's a downtrend, follow that trend. And because I'm not just following fractal alone, look at that. I use Parabolic SAR to tell me that this is the downtrends. I'm not using that alone in my analytic here. So I use that also to help me to confirm that it's possible the downtrend is happening also right there. It's down, man. I'm not making any buying here because I'm waiting for the fractal. It's okay. Again, fractal telling me that it's downtrend again. And this is also some resistance. It's a downtrend, but as you see in the beginning of times, you see that there's also the fractal telling you that it's an uptrend too. So it's mean this kind of a challenge into a market. There's a challenge in the market. It's a possibility of the downtrend, but it's also the uptrend is possible. You might see that too, but the one down was loose because of there was some rejection in the beginning, but now it's worse to going up. And in that case, I'm not going to invest that when you see that too, because it's telling you that it's not decisionable that it is an up or down. You see that because it happened to fractal at the same time, and now it's telling you that it is an uptrend. This is fractal telling you that it is an uptrend right here. When you see that, it's mean the market majority is on sell. Look at this. So fractal, man. Let me take my coffee. Again, because today is Sunday, I'm a little bit boring. I don't know what to do, so I just starting my streaming. Actually, I'm doing a lot of video in the past, but I don't do it for quite some time now. I don't know, just today I just feel like, okay, what to do? Like everybody going out for holiday on Sundays, weekend they going for lunch, they going for, you know, somewhere. So leave me at home alone, and I don't want to go anywhere. So since the early morning until now, I just got a little kind of boring. So okay, let's do some streamings. Let's make some money instead of going out for fun. So that's it. Okay, looking for the other different market here. It's a possibility of the downtrend here, but look at that, because any kinds of reversal trends it's happening. It's only one here, you make it correct. Two here, you make it correct. But for my suggestions, my experience telling you that the first one and the second one of that guess are correct, and the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth is really 50-50 because it becomes less probability to guess correctly because it may happen of trend reversal again. So like this one, because it's make correctness for 2 times. Count here. The first one is right here. The second one is right here. You see that fractal telling you it's down and it's down. And then the second one is telling you again it's down and then it's down. And then this now going and up. Even though the fractal telling you here to go down, it may not because it's almost the end of their cycle. The bumping roads, it's not always there all the times. So remember, the bumping road is not always there. So it's better to wait for another bumping roads because it may change. This is like Parabolic SAR telling you that it's a downtrend, but it's a possibility of changing trend or reversal trend to be an uptrend. So it's almost there already, but I think if I invested here, maybe I'm making another 3rd times correct. But I'm not sure it's already bumping road is already finished. This is an uptrend and now it's a downtrend. Man, I don't know if this is the correct one. Who knows? This is, I told you it's 50-50. Okay, I tell you, they'll make the guess for 2 times. So this is like the new trend is happening and it is not confirming fractal. That's telling you it's an uptrend yet. So I think this is a good investment here. I will make 2 investments here. If I'm doing it wrong, so my bad, it's a downtrend because the downtrend is so strong here. But there is some rejection here. Let me look at this rejection. This is called rejection. Okay, it's reject back already. I feel like this is green. I feel it's green. But let's try. Let's try that reversal. This is the rejection. Sometimes it's better to wait until to reach its rejections, but I truly feel that it may not reach to the trend line here, the resistance line here, or it's maybe beyond my expectations, and then it's changed the trend so quickly. I change trends to, yes, it's down. It's a downtrend. It's not uptrend anymore. So really, I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh man, it's right. I don't know, maybe it's a lucky day, but actually I'm feeling that I may wrong with this one, but it turned out to be right. Make right choice. So again, this one is the right choice. I have no ideas. But it's worse. It's changed the trend already. Parabolic SAR telling you that it's a downtrend now. It's not possible to go in uptrends. I make this one and it get to this rejection. This is a huge rejection, but I feel that this is going to break that. No, not saying rejection. What they call resistance line. Okay. It reached that kind of resistance. Look at this resistance a little bit. The history here. It's trying to get down here and it's going up and not crossing this line. It's just up and up, and now it is creating a bumping road here, but it is going down. I'm feeling a possibility of breaking this line. I think buying down is a good investment, but waiting for Parabolic SAR telling me that it's down again. And I will make another investment here. It's going up, going up, going up. I don't know if they're going to break this. This is really important. This is the important line. No, so I'm waiting for, because it just broke that. So waiting for the next one. Waiting for a fractal to confirm that downtrend. But it's down, man. That's out, man. Yeah, it's telling me, but it's just like they're gonna end up some rejection. Got some rejection. Rejects again. Now reject back again. The sell is strong. The Fractal to confirm. I see Fractal tell me that it's, but if it's telling me that it's not trend, I'm not gonna buy it. But if it's telling me it's a down, oh, I wanna buy it here. Too late. Buy it. Let's see if it is down. Let's see that. Boom. Yep. The first one that is happening on this downtrend, I make it. Let's look on the other one. That's good trends. See, I invest 5. I make 4 out of that. That's cool. It's happened one already, and it's really break this line. It's really break my resistance lines, and it is absolutely down. Man, I know that I feel that it's a down. It's breaking my resistance. So that's the technique. I just want to tell you guys, try these techniques at your own risk before you put any real money. Okay, there is no guarantee that it's worth 100%. You need to check on your own, practice it once and again and again. So once you practice for a couple times and see if that is making you some fucking money, and then you make it. But if it doesn't work, changing the technique, changing indicator, update your indicator, read some stuff before you do an actual real investment. Make sure that you don't waste your money. So that's it for the technique here, starting from $24, and I went to $46 here. Actually, I want to wait $50. I'll make 50. One more. Okay. I want to make $50. Just do one more, and then this is happening. I don't know, is that making sense? Reaction is going on, it's telling me that's an uptrend. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but this is right. I would just, happen to open that Australian and Canada currency, and then the Fractal just presented to me, and then the Parabolic SAR also presented to me there, and it's right. Okay, I may get $50. Starting from $24, and I ended up with $50 because this is a live streaming video. It's right now at 3:20 p.m. Thailand time. If I'm going to do a lot of technique here, saving the money, it's going to be a long video once, but I don't want you to watch it for a long time. What I want is just to tell you, so there is a technique, there is an indicator that present to us, that telling us that what and how you invest your money, and how is that making money, and how is that work, because all of these indicators just one of the technique, and the other thing is that how you feel about it, how you feel about the market today, how you check all of this information that available to you on the internet, and read about that and see, and it's in real life markets right here, and then we applying that. So, and another thing is about our psychology, our philosophy in the trading business. If you want to be a trader, if you want to be an investor, you need to learn, you need to be a profession on what you are passionate, and this is the business that it requires passions, requires an actual heart and love for it. If you don't have that, and if you just come into the market and expect to be rich, expect to be billionaire or millionaire from this, and you don't have that passion to do it, you just want the results, but you don't have the love to do it. It's just like the people who are selling cake for profit. They're not selling cake for their passions. So what I want you to reconsider, to rethinking before you keep choosing any path in your career. Think about it as your passion. Do not try to make it because you want the money. Okay, so that's it for now, from $24 to $50. And this is the technique. You just try it at home and see if that work or it's not working before you putting in the money. This is telling you uptrend, but because of I told you that this is an uptrend, maybe I'm right here. I really could make some money here, but I don't, because I'm talking to you guys. I miss this one. This is the money presented to me, and I missed that. Okay, talk to you later, guy, and thank you for joining. So let's learning the technique and apply that in real life and see if that works for you. If it's not working for you, it's, it really depends, and trying to figure it out. There's a lot of things that you can learn from this binary options market, which is called IQoption. If you're interested to learn more about the IQoptions, you can go to their website and check it out, and how they make profit for giving you this kind of platforms that you can invest and earn some money from there. Okay, so that's it for now, and thank you. Take care and have successful investments. Bye.